Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Lloyds Bank account. First of all, open the web browser. Here search Lloyds Bank. Scroll down to choose the best current account for you. Check out all the accounts. Then click on Classic. Here you can see the option Ready to Apply. Scroll down to click on Apply Now. Then click on Continue. From Let's Get Started, choose the No option. Then choose Yes, this is going to be your main account. Scroll down to Continue. Then enter your details, like name, gender, country phone number. Then click to continue. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.